As you can see, I'm standing on the back of the Charnwood Hobbit, the all-electric boat. She's currently under fit out. I'll take some photographs of the engine. I don't know how well it can be seen in the dark, whoops, but we've got the engine down there, electric propulsion, and the area just forward of that will be where the generator will be fitted. But I won't tarry on this boat because I want to show you Bliss. So, walking down the steps, as you can see, the workshop is quite snug, to say the least. Hence the reason for coming on a Saturday. So in front of us to the left you can see Bliss, and in the paint booth at the moment we have the Charnwood Edge, which is going to Crick. I'll be going on to that shortly. So I'll just climb aboard. It's a bit difficult to do holding a camera, so I'll turn the camera off and then we'll get on the boat. Now, as you can probably see, the well deck on this boat is quite long, and this is absolutely ideal for socialising. This boat is a trad. Bliss is a trad, so it's only got a very small back plate for you to stand on, but the large well deck compensates for that. So the forward doors and bulkheads have windows, and when you come down the first step, you come into the lounge area, which has grey painted panels below the gunnels, and then it's a cream above. So the lounge area, which is the first area that you come down into, so it's a more of a traditional design boat. The lounge comes across to around here, and around this area of the windows, perhaps just a little bit further back, is the galley. The galley has side doors to port and starboard. After the galley there is a dinette seating with windows either side. This dinette is convertible into double sleeping. So if you have a sofa bed in the lounge area, you've got 2 sleeping plus another 2 sleeping for guests. So there is a corridor to, now which way am I pointed round? I've lost my bearings. Oh dear. So to the left of the boat, to the port side of the boat, there is a companionway which takes you into a fixed double bedroom with storage above on both sides and a porthole window. Leading on from the fixed sleeping, we come into the shower room, which has a large shower cubicle. There's a cassette toilet, and there will be a wash hand basin. It's quite a nice size shower room. We've maximised the space with the doors in such a position, it's a bit like a chicane. Coming round to the back of the boat. Now the back of the boat is very versatile. So coming through this door here, there is the availability. There will be 2 single bunks, one to port and one to starboard. Those bunks can be slid together to make a double bed, and the access will then be through this door, through this route. If the bed remains as 2 singles, the access will be a bit of a chicane from the door there and then walking between the 2 single beds. So very versatile. This sleeping area will also have the ability to have it as day seating. So with the 2 side bunks facing each other, a table can be fitted in the middle. So quite a versatile area on this boat. So far we've got 2 sleeping at the back, a fixed double, dinette seating, and then the ability for a sofa bed. So coming to the back of the boat, just here on the starboard side, we will have room for a washing machine, whilst on the port side there will be a cubicle which will be a cassette toilet with wash hand basin. So the boat has a Barrowshire engine, as you can see. It's all cleaned up, it's been serviced. It is a second-hand engine, this is a second-hand boat. All the engine bay has been painted, so it's all nice, clean and tidy. The header tanks will be built-in cupboards, I believe, as will the engine, the electrics just there. So as I said before, this is a trad, so it's got that small back deck with access to the weed hatch in the back deck. But this boat, you get a lot of boat for your money. It is in effect a brand new boat built on a second-hand shell. I believe the specifications for the shell are a 10mm base plate, 6mm sides and 5 cabin sides and top. So although this boat was built in 2004, or this shell was built in 2004 originally, it has been completely stripped out, grip blasted back to clean steel. It surveys very well, and so in effect you're getting a new boat for a very nice price. So coming back through, so we've got the shower room, bit of a chicane again, through to the fixed sleeping, the dinette. The next area will be the galley, which incorporates the side doors. Halfway along we will have a bulkhead, a short bulkhead with a solid fuel stove fitted centrally, and then the rest of the boat at the front will be lounge area, and then onto the well deck.